Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. Got another car I'd like to share with you. We're getting ready to put on the lot today. This is a 2011 Acura RDX. This is all-wheel drive and 2.3 liter four-cylinder engine, turbocharged. Black leather interior. I mean, this thing is equipped with all the options, including a sunroof with a manual shade. So I'll show you the inside here in just a moment. We'll walk around, show you the outside of the car. Nice tinted windows on it. This is a very, very nice car. Here, as you see, the RDX and the turbo emblem, and right here is your all-wheel drive SH trim package on this. So let's go ahead and pop the hatch open. Okay, here we are. We've got it open. Get up here, show you a lot of space that is in the back of this car, and the back seats do fold down, so you can have a lot of storage here. So let's go ahead and we'll continue doing our walk around. Beautiful white color, very elegant, classy looking. You do have heated mirrors on this car and turn signals on the outside of your mirrors. Show you the wheels. Tread looks to be very good on this. Let's take a look inside. Okay, here we go. You can see the black leather interior in this thing. Plenty of leg room back here. Headliner appears to be in good shape. There's the shade pulled. We'll go ahead and open that when we get up front. Okay, here we got the up front here. Show you the door panels. You do have the black, and then this is a cloth perforated. You got two memory seats for two different people. Just push a button, the seat will go exactly to where you have it set to. Power seats up here in front. So let's go ahead and take it, look inside. Okay guys, I'm up in front. I've got the car started. Show you what it looks like on the inside. I mean, this car is beautiful. Let me go ahead and open the shade up, or you see the sunroof. Let me get in here and show you the gauges. The mileage on this as of now is 158,586 miles. It's got all the options right here. You've got controls here on the left for your audio, hands-free to answer and end your phone calls. So it has Bluetooth connectivity to it. Cruise control controls here. Additional windshield wiper delays. Now you get over here, there's the LCD monitor. One of the things here I'll show you in just a minute is the backup camera, but here it does have dual climate control. It does have Sirius XM radio capability here. CD player. Now ladies and gentlemen, for wintertime, show you right here, it does have heated seats for both up front. And you do have a 2-cup holder compartment. It'll close. Armrest with all kind of storage space. But what I wanted to show you, your rear view or backup camera is in your mirror. I'm going to drop it down in reverse. There is your backup camera. How cool is that? And here you got a view. You do have an armrest that folds down for the back. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2011 Acura RDX 2.3 liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine. We've got this priced very nicely, so this is affordable for just about everybody. Sunroof in this. So if you want to come up and do a test drive, we welcome you to do that. We've got a lot of financing options available, so we'd like to share that with you. So if you have any questions, touch base. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.